Hello everyone, amazing viewers of our channel. Welcome to our channel. To be the first to know about new videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications before going to our video, dear followers.
Shell and crumbles in photos on the refrigerators of Shell's house. After a long time, Shell showed his house, the pink house. Photos from different parts of the house were published. But what attracted attention were the photos that were stuck on the refrigerator. She had posted her own photos which were seen next to her family photos, which include her partners.
Latest news, stay tuned for. Stay healthy. Bye.